Welcome to SmartChainSolution. Today, we're diving into how to implement lean supply chain management. Lean practices can help you reduce waste, improve efficiency, and enhance overall performance. Let's get started. First, let's understand the core principles of lean supply chain management. Lean focuses on delivering value to the customer by eliminating waste, optimizing processes, and continuously improving. The key principles include value stream mapping, just-in-time inventory, and continuous improvement. Value stream mapping involves analyzing every step in your supply chain to identify and eliminate non-value-adding activities. Map out your entire process from raw materials to finished products and pinpoint areas where waste occurs. Just-in-time, or JIT, inventory aims to align production schedules with customer demand. By keeping inventory levels low and receiving goods only when needed, you can reduce holding costs and minimize excess inventory. This requires strong supplier relationships and accurate demand forecasting. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is about making small, incremental changes to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Encourage your team to regularly review processes and suggest improvements. Implementing these small changes over time can lead to significant improvements in your supply chain. Next, let's talk about specific lean tools and techniques. These include 5S, Kanban, and Six Sigma. 5S focuses on workplace organization and standardization to improve efficiency. Kanban is a visual scheduling system that helps manage workflow and inventory levels. Six Sigma focuses on reducing variation and improving quality. Implement 5S by sorting through materials, setting things in order, shining the workspace, standardizing processes, and sustaining these practices. This creates a clean and organized work environment which boosts productivity. Use Kanban boards to visualize workflow and manage tasks. This helps in maintaining optimal inventory levels and ensures that production processes run smoothly. Visual management tools like charts and boards keep everyone informed about the status of different tasks. Adopt Six Sigma methodologies to identify and eliminate defects in your processes. By focusing on quality management, you can reduce errors and improve overall efficiency in your supply chain. Building a lean culture is essential for long-term success. Train your employees in lean principles and encourage a mindset of continuous improvement. Foster open communication and involve everyone in problem-solving and decision-making processes. Engage your employees by providing regular training and development opportunities. Create a culture where employees feel valued and empowered to contribute to the company's success. Recognize and reward their efforts to maintain high motivation levels. Implementing lean supply chain management can significantly enhance your business performance by reducing waste, improving efficiency, and delivering more value to customers. Start by understanding lean principles, applying lean tools, and building a lean culture within your organization. Subscribe to SmartChainSolution for more insights and tips on optimizing your supply chain.